In this nuclear simulation, we are going to be looking at positron emission. For this example, we have the element beryllium with a mass of 8. We know that this is the element beryllium with a mass of 8 because beryllium has 4 protons and then 4 neutrons gives it its mass of 8. During positron emission, a proton emits an electron, also known as a positron, and then the proton becomes a neutron. The symbol for beryllium with a mass of 8 is 8Be4. The word emission means that our positron particle is going to be on the product side of our arrow. If we take a proton and pull out a positron, then the proton becomes a neutron. The symbol for positron is 0e plus 1. Then we can write the element that we are left with. The element that has 3 protons and 5 neutrons is the element lithium with a mass of 8.